2012 Ford Raptor 6.2 liter V8. Look at them wheels on it. It's a beast. It's a really nice truck. Good friend of mine. I've done a bunch of cars. So he brought us his Raptor. Factory converters there and there. Then, as you guys can see, it's true dual all the way back. And he brought it in and we put him a Flowmaster Super 10 right there. And then we axle dumped it right there. That's what it was. It had on it some glass packs. We took them off and replaced them with a Flowmaster Super 10. There'll be a link in the description for it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Ford Raptor SVT 6.2 liter. Go ahead. Better? It's dope. Yeah, much better. Yeah, those were making that. Again. Flowmaster Super 10. Right at 108. Again. That's better. Again. Got a really nice pop to it now. That sounds good. Let you guys hear on the inside. That sounds a lot better. Those glass packs sounded like crap on it. Don't go with glass packs on these guys. Always. That sounds so much better. Enjoy, guys. 2014 Ford Raptor 6.2 liter V8. The last year of this beast. They're beautiful trucks. I want one of these so bad. They're really nice, fast too. So it's got factory converters there and there. He came in for a rattle right there. And we talked him into putting a muffler on it. He didn't want it too loud, so we left the resonator on it and put him a Borla Pro-XS. As you guys can see, a single in, dual out. Part number 40349. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then these Borlas come with dual tailpipes out one side. As you guys can see right there. Into two dual tips, 3.5 inch right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. What do you think? You want more or that's good? Perfect? All right, good. Again? Yeah, that sounds good. Here's sound decibels. Again. So it's right at 100, 99. Yeah, that's perfect. It's right at 100. Go ahead and back it out. So it's got a flange leak, so we sent them to a mechanic. He's gonna need to heat it up to take it out. That sounds good. Not too loud. Let you guys hear on the inside. All right, guys, we got a 2012 Ford Raptor 6.2 liter beast. Look at that beautiful truck. Lifted, got wheels, got that custom bumper. It can ram through anything. Iron Bull. All right, so what we got done on it for you guys? Got factory converters there and there. Wise into a single. Then 3-inch system. Then we put a Carven R right there. as you guys can see. There's the Carven. And then we put a Y pipe after it. And mandrel bend 2 1/4 tailpipes on each side. There and there. And then we put some quad tips black. Straight out the back. Right there. Black out the back. Yeah, like that. Right there. And right there. There's the old system that was on it. It just got it rotted out. He's like, I want something different. We're like, you came to the right place. We'll get you taken care of. And that's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. That's not so good. Here's sound decibels. 109, bro. That sounds good. Carven R. Duals. Again.